Hello and welcome to this insider peek of a gorgeous updated suite here at Sandals Ochi Resort in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. We're standing right now in the NG1, and this is going to be the one-bedroom poolside Butler Villa Estate Suite. And this honestly is one of the top suites at this resort. It's gorgeous, and you can see a lot of what we call kind of the Sandals 2.0 features here. We see updated woods, we see this more modern feel. Everything is light, it's clean, it's airy, and I'm really excited to give you an insider look today. If we haven't had the pleasure to meet before, I'm Addison, founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and MyCaribbeanLuxury.com. Thanks for stopping by this channel, Mr TraveLux. On this channel, we cover everything sandals and beaches, and I'm excited to have you here. Before we jump in, I always do recommend having a look in that description below. There's so much information you definitely do not want to miss out on. And most importantly, if you are thinking to book your trip to Tropical Paradise, make sure to reach out to my team and I. hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Again, that's hello@ReliantDestinations.com. If you want to make sure you have the best service and the best value, well, you're in the right place. We can definitely help you with those two items there. But for now, let's go ahead and jump straight into this insider look at the NG1 here at Sandals Ochi. Let's go. So there you have it. This has been your look at the NG1 here at Sandals Ochi Resort. I am so glad you decided to have a look at this video today. So whatever questions you have, please reach out and let us know. Whether it's a question about this suite or any other suites, any other room or suite at any Sandals and Beaches Resort, you are welcome to reach out. Our services are 100% complimentary. We want to make sure you always have the best service and the best value. Reach out to hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Again, hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Please make sure to like this video for hundreds of other videos about everything Sandals and Beaches. And of course, we hope to see you around sometime again on this channel and perhaps even in resort. Take care.